Hi guys, this is Mary, the Monkey Wench, Pennsylvania Bigfoot Project. I'm doing a follow-up video to go over how to debunk, I guess you would say, or determine structures if they are naturally formed, like from snow, load, wind, whatever, or by something else with opposable thumbs, whether that be human or non-human. Now previously I had shown a photo of this. I had seen it from a distance, zoomed in, and called it possible because at that time I could not see how it was made. Okay, you see the X smaller limb and then a rather large tree. Obviously both of them are old, dead, and okay, as you see, there's a broken off trunk, and I don't know if you see where it broke off of. So this larger tree broke, it was rotten and fell. The other one, let's go take a look. If I can see. I don't think I can get back in there, but I'll do my best. There's a bunch of fallen limbs back here, but yeah, the other one possibly could have fallen from the tree, one of the trees above. Okay, let me see if I can zoom in. All right, there's where a branch would have broken off and fallen. But this is naturally made. Wind, rot, combination of the two. Oh, sorry about that. Didn't mean to whip you around so fast. There's Sinead. Let me zoom in. Ever faithful companion, and yeah, she's my teammate. Her reactions show me what is in the area. Ears up, interested, tail up, curious, sniffing around. She's fine. Nothing. There's nothing in the area. Come on. But just a really short video to help you to learn. Sometimes it's fairly obvious. Oh, okay, here's the stump right here where that other one possibly broke off of. The smaller one. And looking up at this tree. Okay. I don't know if, oh, there it is. Okay, now you see that? It's another possibility where that limb may have broken off of and fallen to form the smaller portion of the X. But again, natural. But, well, there's some various festivals, conferences coming up in Pennsylvania. I hope everyone can attend. There's the Fayette County Bigfoot Conference that is to be held on June 5th, Saturday, June 5th, Morrell, Pennsylvania. That's just outside of Connellsville in Fayette County. Please attend. It's usually a really great conference. It honestly is. A bunch of great people. They're all friends. I spoke there, trying to remember if it was last year or year before, possibly last year. And I think that they've restarted. We're able to reschedule their, they have another, not really conference, for Fayette County Bigfoot. That's Fayette County, Pennsylvania Bigfoot Research Project Group. They host these conferences, and they have another one coming up. I don't know what month, but it's, they put on, I think it's 2 a year, one in June and the other one usually in August. And check out their page on Facebook. You'll see their schedule, as well as I'll put them up on in my group, Pennsylvania Bigfoot Project. Another one is the Forest County Bigfoot Festival. That is June 11, 12, and 13. Saturday the 12th will be all the speakers. Friday the 11th, 6 p.m. will be Ryan Cavaline and Small Town Monsters. I think he will be showing a movie, possibly his latest. I hope so. I'm looking forward to seeing that. And Saturday is all the speakers. There'll be games and geocache where you search for Bigfoot. And Sunday, more games. Going to be great fun. Going to be a lot of vendors, food vendors. Buy a t-shirt. Stop by my booth and grab a t-shirt. And let's see, September, there is the Bigfoot Barbecue UFO Festival held in Dayton, Pennsylvania at Milton Gearhart Campground. Again, that's in Dayton, Pennsylvania. I don't remember the exact date, but I'm sure if you Google it or search for it on Facebook, it'll come up. Bigfoot UFO. I'm messing it up again. Bigfoot Barbecue UFO Festival. Bunch of great speakers. I will be one of them. Same at the Forest County Bigfoot Festival. I will be the first speaker at 11 a.m. And again, check them out. Attend if you can. It's great, get out of the house, get out in the sunshine, fresh air. There'll be, these are all in areas where you can get out and hike on some really great trails, camp. Please do explore. It's a wonderful country and you'll get to meet some wonderful people. All right, guys, I'm going to end this. Have a great time. God bless. Monkey out.